Welcome to our English lesson. Today we are going to learn some useful daily use sentences. Let's get started. I am the idiot who lets people take advantage of me. What are you signaling to each other? I swear I heard it myself. You can go downstairs from here. How could I forget that? What has he done this time? I nudged him several times, but he just won't get up. It has been 10 years and 4 months. I'm blindfolded. I can't see. Here you go, do a good deed and get punished. I knew it would work. Look at this, as if I have nothing else to do. Shut the door on your way out. One of my friends is coming tomorrow. Bring that chair here. Turn to him. Who is that for? Oh God, why didn't I think of this sooner? Can you please give me some privacy? 5 minutes are taking forever. What did I get myself into? Did you get to talk to her? If I were you, I would take the offer. Let's say it is so. Did you actually forge my signature? You seem to be forgetting. He is hard of hearing. Thanks for watching.